In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with formulas in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Understanding how to harness the power of formulas can make project management significantly more efficient by allowing you to automate calculations directly within your workspace. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your board. So, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the specific workspace and board where you wish to add your calculation. It's crucial to ensure that you're working in the right space because this ultimately determines how your data will be organized. Once you've accessed your desired board, scroll to the right side until you reach the end of your current columns. This is where you will add your new formula column. To do this, simply click the plus icon, which is usually located at the top of the column headers. This will allow you to add a new column seamlessly. Next, you'll need to search for and select the option for a formula column from the list of available column types. This selection is essential because it will enable you to create calculations that can be applied across multiple rows of data. Now, it's time to set up your calculation. Click inside the newly created formula column to open the Formula Builder. This is where the magic happens. In the Formula Builder, you'll have a variety of options for how you can perform calculations. For instance, you might need the sum of a series of numbers, the average, median, or even custom mathematical operations tailored to your specific needs. Take a moment to determine what type of calculation you require. If you're looking to calculate total revenue, for example, you might choose to multiply the columns labeled price and quantity. To do that, simply select these columns within the Formula Builder and specify the mathematical operation you would like to perform. Monday.com uses a clear syntax that makes it easy to understand how to integrate different columns into your formula. After you've set everything up, you can just sit back and review the results. The formula column will automatically calculate values for each row based on your setup. This is particularly useful for tracking inventories, assessing financial data, or monitoring other metrics pertinent to your projects. By having these calculations automatically generated, you can save time and reduce the risk of human error in your data management processes. To summarize, working with formulas in Monday.com involves accessing your board, adding a formula column, setting up your calculation through the Formula Builder, and reviewing the results displayed automatically for each row. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage the full potential of Monday.com's features, making your project tracking much more efficient. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to work with formulas in Monday.com. I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity.